Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. So for this week's Trendy Thursday, we're actually going to be talking about Fall Fashion Week in New York. I was going through and seeing some of the designs and what the designers were inspired by, what's going to be trending this fall. And we saw everything from gold to feathers and micro purses and bold shoulders. It was really all over the place, but it shows a lot of variety, and it's really awesome to see a lot of that for fall, not just your typical browns and your suedes and your leathers. It was definitely really eclectic, I guess you could say. I was really just thinking on how I could really incorporate that and kind of translate it to nails. So for today, I'm just going to show you a couple of different designs and super simple ways that we can translate trendy fashion onto our nails. So the first big trend that totally stood out was purple. Millennial purple was definitely a big statement on this runway. It was in many different shades. Some were soft, some were satin, some were glittery. Very beautiful, very flowy, and such an easy way to translate into your nail art. Throw in some purple glitter while you're at it, and if you don't want to go all purple, then make it an accent nail. But rocking a little lavender in your manicure will definitely say fall 2019. Feathers was another trend that definitely made a statement. You had designers like Valentino and Prada that were putting feathers on everything from shoes to jeans to oversized coats. Whether you're drawing feathers or using real feathers. You can totally buy miniature feathers online. Even some craft stores might have it. Encapsulate it with the gel and rock that mani. Satin was definitely back and in a big way on that runway. Lots of top designers were using satin and incorporating it with brighter colors that you don't commonly see. I was able to translate this look by using a translucent white chrome powder, which doesn't change the shade of the actual color that you're using for your client's manicure, but definitely nails that satin look. Chrome powders can be purchased all over, but I'll definitely make sure to include the link below on where I purchased my chrome powders. Gold made super bold statements on this runway, from full gold outfits to metallic buckles, gold accessories. It definitely made a statement. Gold can be worn with anything at any time. Incorporating this into your manicures is super simple by using gold foils, gold studs, but get a little creative and step out of just the gold glitter box. I hope you all enjoyed my super simple interpretations of what was popping for Fall Fashion Week, and I definitely look forward to showing you a few more of those over these next couple weeks. So follow me on IG to keep up with that, and make sure that you've liked and subscribed if you haven't already. Share if you haven't already. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in, and I'm going to be catching you guys on the next one.